Do you have one of these quick release clamping devices on your motorcycle helmet? I mean, they're nice, they're easy to put on, they're easy to take off, they're nice to have, and a lot of the newer motorcycle helmets come with these. But the big question is, how do you secure your helmet to your motorcycle when you get somewhere? Well, I've been trying to figure that out for a few days, and I finally came up with a solution. You see my key collection? I mean, I got all kinds of keys from years gone by, and I realized these key rings are just about exactly the size that you need. So I took one of my old key rings, I ran it through this part down here and through to hold it to the fastener, and now all you got to do is take your key ring when you get off the motorcycle and hook it on the back of the bike.